Whoa.
Do that again.
Yeah.
Those are so fun.
We should spring somebody up with that. Can I go spring her up?
No. Okay, I'm gonna run away.
What the heck?
It's a count. Oh, I have to do practice.
I'm still recording.
Oh, well, it's okay. Okay. Wait, are you still recording?
I'm recording, yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Do you want recording? I know.
Sure.
I was letting it funny on my butt. You know what I'm doing recording. Okay.
See ya.
Get in the spotlight or we can't see you.
Definitely. And stop.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Pull the muscle.
Oh.
Okay.
I think I got part of that. It went on standby for some reason.
Do it again.
Here.
If you can do it again.
Nina, grab her glasses.
Oh, that's funny. It's back. Oh, what are we doing? Oh.
Flip
Yep.
again.
Nice. Yay.
Alright, am I going to do anything else?
Brooke, do you want me to double jump you?
Not really.
Okay.
Eva, you can, no, you got double one. Nina.
Boy. Where's Kristen?